So this is the look that I created for you guys today. It's super easy and 10-minute, literally out the door. Like you're in a rush type makeup, like you're late for a party, a birthday party, school or work. This is the type of makeup that can save your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's get started and let's move on to the video. I'm gonna first start off with my face. So what I'm gonna use today is a mixture of foundations. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Foundation, and then I'm gonna mix it in with the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, which is in the shade 205, and this one's in the shade 203. So this one's a lot tanner than this one. This one's a lot paler. So we're gonna mix those two together and put it all over our face. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques sculpting brush to apply it. So first I'm going in with the Infallible Glow Foundation, and I'm only gonna apply it on the outer parts of my face. I'm not gonna go so much under my eye, but I am gonna apply a little bit on my nose area, and then I'm gonna go out here on the temples of my face. And then for the rest of the face, we're gonna apply the Fenty Beauty foundation under our eyes and our T-zone area, because it's a lot lighter than my actual skin tone, or it's actually the color of my skin tone. I just think it's too pale for me right now. So we're gonna use this to highlight, and you make sure you want to work as fast as possible with the Fenty Beauty foundation. And then I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques sponge and blend out my under eye a little bit. I'm also gonna hit it a little bit with the Colourpop concealer in the shade 20, light 20, sorry. And I'm only gonna basically just apply some right here and a little bit on my nose to brighten it up even more. I'm actually gonna go in with my Airspun setting powder. And I'm gonna go in with a Luxe brush, and this is a taper highlighter brush. So after we have our translucent powder done, I'm actually gonna go in with my Hello Flawless powder foundation real quick and bronze up my temple areas with this powder. I'm not gonna really set my whole face because I want my face to look dewy, not fully matte. So I'm gonna go in with my powder brush from Real Techniques and just apply it right here on my temples just to give it a little bit of bronze. Not too much powder because I already feel like we're super matte, especially because the Fenty Beauty foundation is super matte, so I don't want to feel extra cakey and matte, because then my face is just gonna start feeling like super dry, and I don't like that. And then After we're done with the face, we're gonna go in with MAC Give Me Sun. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M527 brush. And we're gonna bronze up our forehead. We're mainly gonna just rush this part because you're running late for work or school. And you just want to look alive, basically. So then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia AMREZY highlighter, and I'm gonna go in with my Luxe highlight tapered highlight brush, and it's in the number 522. And I'm just gonna grab as much as I want and just apply it everywhere. Do you guys see that? Amra was not kidding with this highlight when she created it. You want to look alive and you want to look healthy. You want to make sure that your skin looks healthy. Dude, I'm living for this highlight though. And then I'm gonna go in with this Milani blush, and this is in the shade Dolce Pink, and I'm gonna grab it with my blush and just apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Because you want to look like you tried. And that's that. And for the eyes, we're not really gonna do much. Just I do want to prime my eyes real quick. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on there. And I'm gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now I am gonna set my concealer real quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the same tapered highlight brush that I use to bake. And just set my eyeshadow base real quick. And then for the eyeshadow, it's really gonna be simple. Really simple. We're only gonna use one color. Cause you're in a rush, you're trying to get out the door. So we're gonna use one color only. And the color that I'm gonna go in is from the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette from Colourpop. And we're gonna go in with this shade right here. And that shade is called Magical. And we're applying all that all over the lid. And if you really want, you can just apply it with your finger as well. That way it's faster. Which is what I'm gonna do. And after you're done having your eyeshadow, you're gonna go ahead and grab your blending brush. And I'm using the Morphe N511 brush. And I'm just gonna buff out the edges. So you're gonna go in with this color right here, and that's gonna be our brown bone highlight. And that one's called Elfish. We're just gonna apply that right here. Maybe just a little bit on your inner corner. Yeah. Inner corner. And basically the eyeshadow's done. Just buffing out the edges and blending the brown bone highlight and the eyeshadow together. And the eyeshadow is done. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to mascara. And of course, you know the mascara I'm using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. My ride or die for right now. We'll curl our lashes real quick. And then I'm not really gonna apply any color on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna apply mascara. I was gonna apply a black liner on my waterline, but I'm actually gonna apply a nude color to open up my eyes. And then what I'm doing, I'm actually applying the AMREZY Highlight on my inner corner to intensify it more. And then I'm gonna apply more. So that completes the eyes. And for lips, I'm not really gonna do much for lips. I'm just gonna apply a lip liner. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and use the Colourpop iluvsarahii Curvii lip pencil. And we're gonna line our lips with it. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop iluvsarahii and Atole lip gloss. This color is so pretty. Like, how pretty is that? Super nude. I love it. And if you feel like you have extra more minutes, you can go ahead and apply false lashes. That is totally up to you. So yeah guys, so that finally completes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and love the look that I created for you guys. It's super simple and super easy. So yeah, this is a very quick tutorial. This is a easy 10-minute makeup, as you want to call it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.